Alungile mkhaya.
Amaphoyisa sokubiza. Sithando sami.
Excel by Slim khona ungidlithende ungazama ukuphika letha life onakho ngitshela uba usipha usumsave ngokhazini kwathi angibhayizisa sis ngiyabuza ukuthi uba Slim. Don't know why I thought you were the one for me. How could you do me wrong and still lose I'm a pig. Thatha le phone yakho mase utext boyfriend yakho uthi kubuza indoda yakho ukuthi uba Slim. Shuthi mina si ngithende ungazama ukuphika letha life onakho ngitshela uba usipha usumsave
Tona, ngibona izobetha itemwe massive 9 massive kama massive ngasibona sibone kakhola lomwa Zihlezi duma ama-track ekhanda ngakho amapiano hip hop yonke into hlezi ufuna ukuduma evethi sinenkinga eyiningi ngapha sinenkinga Fethu ngihlali ni-fro fethu angihlali ni-fro okay sure this time you really fethu yo mina like really I'm tired of women bro ngiyafika endlini mfethu kumnandi everything she cooked bro wami yazwa she cooked a nice meal siya relax embedeni mfethu sibukela ama-reel mfethu like everything is moja mfethu Mosho into eyodwa bro wami text from Mr. I know she's acting crazy uyakanya bro wami Mfethu uyalena manje ufuna ukuhamba yena she's tired of me I don't understand awumakaleko nakunanifunza itu amafuna ukuthi ya ewona kuyameli ewona kuyamakhwapheni ya ngoba ibamba-ke manje uthi eyodwa eyeflow ne so ngiyamasendlini isothe ayibona but le enye ngiyazi ukuthi yangaphandle
Wethu, mina ifoni yami ebhizinisi enye bethi personal use. Understand lento le. And kuwena pro wami ukuthi ulalela ba ulalela ithekeni yakho noma ulalela nofethu lo. Ekugcineni uyedwa umuntu olala naye. Ngikukushiya impini wakho ngakutshela mina.
siyabona lwachela kwa lalela wakhandwe mina ubrand kuyimina I don't think uyongishiya because angayi ngaphandle kwami I mean uyalazi ngiyazama bro
Angayethu. Ucanga ukuthi wena empilweni khona umuntu oyixolelayo nje cheating. Ngikhuluma mfethu noma umjida noma ithekeni understand lento le umuntu nje oyixolelayo sithini namathekeni bro wami ukhuluma ngeke ngixolela ulekehila ngawe into izosuka yenzeke bro wami ukuthi uzona kushiya akushiyelo out right naphayana ontwapho siqhubeke nale PR oyenzayo njengoba uyazi ukuthi ama-clients siyawabamba siyawayeka kuphinde kungahlangani wena uthulela ufethu lo nomlalela umuntu wakhe endlini
Andizo kan.
yini shush
Sama siya manje. Andil. Be something. And stop living under your shadow.
build yourself in a new mood that's what you want to
Andil, I'm not like you. I'm not a cheater. I want to build myself. Focus on myself.
That's what at least do this thing. Then maybe what we need is just 2 days nyana, you go home, you refresh, you know, and then come back to me.
You cheated on Christmas. Got zero for almost 2 weeks. But still.
Something anything. Okay, at least again, take a break again. Take a break again. At least for me, so like, can you? Okay, you take a break and then we can talk after. Oh, sure, what's he? You forgive me. I can't leave you in the tail.
And I can't leave you. I can do Mazani
So something our time. All these girls bring our time. Bonge, like I didn't love them. So some please,
Please.
babe,
Vacations,
please,
gifts,
please,
apologies.
please,
I'm done.
please, please, don't do
And I think this is my entire
it.
life.
You can't leave me. You're all I have.
No, bruh. No.
You're all I have.
No, bruh. I'm done. I'm over this.
That's what I mean. I'm so by you. I know, but it sounds upsetting, baby. Trust me, they didn't mean anything.
They did. And the fact that you recognize another woman, the
Oh, baby, come on.
fact that you see someone else, I thought I was your other half. When you tell me this was do you think me and calling this thing when I no, I'm not. And we were supposed to be together in this thing, not a trio, not something. The relationship is between two people. Yo, bro, I'm tired of Andy. Yo, but we cartel events, sing cartel, and I'm sad at this point with something.
Kodwa kade ngakutshela nawe ukuthi yeka lo mfana, he's weighing you down, he's so weighing you down. Buba manje uphile on the stress.
As you don't get it, but sometimes, bro. I want to focus on myself, but I still love him, bro.
Akulona uthando lo. Yabona uthando where you have to sacrifice yourself. And buba manje ibhizinisi lakho liyawa. You have to leave this guy.
You have no idea what's happening, bro. I just lost a guy in Amanga. And I feel like, I don't know, but being with him, not just my life, in fact, that is fully stopped. Even my business is like, bro, I don't know what to do at this point.
Kanti yini enzima ukushiya lo mfana? I mean, I told you, ukuthi there are a lot of guys out there, like you know the saying, ukuthi there are a lot of fish in the sea. Wena nje into ekumele uyenze, you have to fix yourself, see ube right, and then go out there, look for a guy, umuntu ozokuthanda, umuntu ozokwenza lento wena ofisa ukuthi wenziwe yona othandweni.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try focusing on myself, living him, being my best. It's not easy, but I'm gonna try, bro.
Okay, so sikhulume ngana.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, it's a seed.
Hey, bro. To be honest, ntwana yami, angazi manje yabo, because if lo benzekile this time, ngiyayifikela endlini bethu uyazi nawe besiphume kumnandini, ku-grand kumoja yonke into. Ubamba lenye ifoni phela manje. Yabo? Bamba ifoni manje, ubamba nenombolo zokuthi ke mina bengisendaweni ethize, angazi siliphi umfethu singene kanjani, sisale kanjani, ngicabanga ukuthi le shandise ngangimasha nayo that night. Angazi ukuthi uba igama layo umfethu ukuthi yo bro wami engikhathele mina mfethu, ngikhathele.
Okay, uplan ukwenzani ke? Uzoyenza njani ke? Sizwe iplan yakho.
No,
Ukumkhombisa ukuthi uyamthanda because mfethu kuya uzumtshela ukuthi uzomnikeza izinto zama material things mfethu izinto angakwazi ukuthi azenzele ukuthi umkhombisa ukuthi uyamthanda uzokwenza njani?
Yini engizoyenza mfethu ngixolisile, ngiyamkhipha lo muntu, ngiyamdalela inombolo, ngimsembekela imbali. Yini
Lokho mfethu ngani abantu? Yabona into amafoni amabili ma-athi yami ayisipani le nto lena and yabona into ebuhlungu yini bro wami. The more ethi ngiyakuxolela,
yeah.
the more uthando luleke lincipha kuyena.
Hey bro, plus ngibonile this time, ifighter this time mfethu. Asuka kwakhe mfethu ukuthi angalahleka uQueen mfethu.
Bhala incwadi. Yabona lento le, mawufika lapha endlini, mawukuthi uthi uyahamba mfethu okay yazini mfethu, hamba nale ncwadi lena.
Okay.
Umnikeza abantu bakini omnikeza incwadi. Mhlawumbe uzokubona ukuthi serious. Mhlawumbe uzobona ukuthi khona ushintsho.
Kaze ngambona onjengawe.
Sister.
Hi, yes, Do you have a mobility second?
Yeah. It's not.
Yeah, but it's only
Current pass.
yeah.
1 or 2.
One. Yeah.
Oh, so, oh, and then? Wait. We have lunch.
I'm leaving.
You're leaving?
I'm going home.
Home? Kwenzeke manje? Ikhwama, home, what's going on?
And you know exactly why I'm leaving you.
Yini sekucikile ke manje? Just tell me.
The fact that you don't know what you did.
Babe, listen, I always tell you one and the same thing. Angisona sangoma ngiyoninyanga. If you have a problem, it's better to talk about it and then see isikwazi ukuthi silungisa kanjani leyo nkinga leyo. Right now you're just acting up. What's going on?
And I've done some good things, you've done some good things, but the bad things that you've done, I can't stay for this.
Listen, I can explain that.
Been saying you're gonna fix us. You've been saying. Clearly, I'm not women enough for you.
Just give me this chance.
I'm
begging you right now.
And I'm choosing you over everything, but still you're doing me wrong.
Come on, please. There's no need to be drama around this thing, man. Just stay.
And you're listening to me.
How, baby, just leave.
No.
Please. Please. Just leave the bag. We can talk about this.
And I can just
Just give me another chance.
And it's Adrian and Hambe on this
I'm a policer. So now you're gonna involve a police at land.
Our phone Andy and Hambe peacefully, clearly with nature. And trust me, I won't tell you, I'll phone over and come on nature. I don't get him.
I'm a policer. So busy. Sam.
Excel by Slim khona ngidlithende ungazama ukuphika letha life onakho umtshela uba usiphi usumsave ngokhazini bathi angibhayizisa sis ngiyabuza ukuthi uba Slim